For me, one of the things we did and pivoted through the pandemic was really focus on what I call destination dining. And we were trying to create more spice blends and more opportunities and more recipes to help people, follow the spice route around the world. And every time they were looking to do something different for dinner, to try and encourage them to, maybe recreate that Moroccan tagine and try and invoke the beautiful flavors and the aroma of the Marrakesh spice markets. And you can think of all the lovely smells from the bazaar and, things like that. And they really evoke really great memories. And I think sometimes things like that, memories and sharing those experiences, really compensate a lot for actually not being there, I think, when it comes down to it. So I think people were really interested in doing that. They were really being more adventurous in the kitchen. They were trying different cuisines and they were sharing them with their friends a lot.